Record the location of a conditional entry in Pandas. I have a data frame that looks like this, and I want to loop through each row and print the ij position of a non-nan entry. Here, the loop would ideally print ij56 and ij51. So far I have created a TEF data frame that records all non-nans as true. And I can get the row index for any trues. But I can't get the column name. I'm also concerned with this approach since iteros is slower than itertuples.
Setup. Any with axis equals 1. Print. More generally, numpy.where. Stack. By default, stack drops null values.
Using not null return boolean, then sum and slice with the index.
If you want to support his own, please